What's up, guys? Welcome back to Budget Beater Builds. So, like I promised last week, we're going to start a brand new special project this week, and we're going to have a special guest star throughout all these videos. So, without further ado, Gwen?
Hello!
And here's my daughter, Gwen. So, Gwen, tell us about our project, and let me drop the camera down so we can see it. Go ahead, tell us about the project.
Okay, so I got the bike for my sister Ree.
Don't worry, it happens to the best of us.
Did I say that?
So, you got the bike from Ree.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's her older sister. I'm going to get down here so I'm actually visible. So why are we going to restore?
So I can ride it and skid.
So you can
Ride it and skid.
You should talk to the audience, not to me.
Oh, yeah. So I can ride it and skid.
So yeah, so she's been wanting to have this dirt bike up and running for about 1.5 years now. And until just now, as you can kind of see with her standing next to it, she's just now getting to be about the right height for it. She'll be able to flat foot it. So it's about time to get her riding a real motorcycle instead of a little bicycle. Because who's got time for pedaling? I mean, right?
It's tiring.
I know. I mean, why not just twist the throttle?
Yeah.
So this is probably going to be a bit of a longer build than the Volvo, even though it's much smaller. What we're going to do is we're going to strip this down to the bare frame. You know, and just in case you guys don't look at some of my older videos, this is the same bike that you saw my oldest daughter riding about 4 years ago on 3 or 4 of my older videos. So we're going to bring this back to better than new condition because it is a Chinese dirt bike, and so new is pretty much garbage anyways.
Yeah.
So we're going to go through the wiring, we're going to strip everything down to the frame, and then rebuild it back up from the ground. And we're going to paint it whatever color she wants it painted. And
It's teal probably.
teal probably.
That's my favorite
But,
color.
you know, she's a kid, it probably will change. So yeah, so let's get started.
Looking at the difference between those, that one's too big.
Alright, so this is going to be a 2-person job.
Yep.
So what I want you to do is I want you to, so first you want to make sure you're going the right way. So we're going clockwise right now. You see
Go
it?
this way.
Yeah, so if you're looking at it, it's going in the direction of the clock.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a wrong way. Clockwise will tighten fasteners. Counterclockwise will loosen. So you want it on loosen like this. So I will get this on the nut.
Go which way?
It's a nut. It will only go one way. So give me that. So now what you want to do, I'm going to get this in here. Okay. Now you want to just turn that.
This right way? Yep.
Sure, just get it back up on the nut.
I'm bad at this.
I was bad when I first started doing it too. Going the wrong way. If you hear it clicking, that means you're going the wrong way. Just make sure you're on the nut first. You want to feel up here. Find the feel right where my finger is. You feel that nut right there, so you want to make sure you're on that. So I always use my finger to guide onto that. All right, you're on the nut now. There you go. Okay, now bring it back. It's best to hold it with your hold it with your hand so that you don't drop it when you're going backwards. Okay, it fell off. It's all right. There you go. they're solid, because if you're not, you can strip out the bolt. Just hold it.
Whoa!
Alright, there's one.
It's hard to play with these.
Yes, it is. Here, we still got two. Alright, so hop around to the other side, and we're going to do the exact same thing. You want to go inside? No, do it one way. Yep, there you go. Don't use that. You should be able to turn it by hand. It's going to be a little tough, but it's just going to be a lot easier. Careful. You're slipping out of it. You got to hold this thing. Turn. You look so deep in thought.
Is this working?
Yeah.
Okay, it's super loose. So I was like, is this working? Or am I just spinning it in nothing?
Okay. So you're tightening it.
Just
Yeah, I'm correct.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa!
Ta-da!
Wait, I want to hold it.
Now, probably going to have to drill out all of these screws because they're all jacked up.
I'm holding it.
Okay, you hold it up.
Yay! Ow.
I'm going to
Which way?
look down on it and turn it counterclockwise.
This
And
way?
careful when you're pulling on it because you're pulling it towards you. So you don't want to pull the entire thing
Am I
down. on you.
pulling it the right way?
Yeah, you are turning it the right way. So I just need to close that, but
Is
whatever.
it leaking?
Not yet. It will be in a minute though.
Oh, stinky.
Oh yeah, something's really. I think it's this bucket here. It's
It
stinky.
really stinks.
Yes, it does.
That finger of mine hurts.
And it'll hurt even worse if you get this gas on it.
I almost flung it on my finger. I might
most.
What does this screw do?
That's holding down the fuel tank.
Oh no.
Now you just need to loosen this one up.
Thingy. Keeping track of those bolts.
Yep. We're going to start bagging them up.
This one seems looser.
Yeah, I got it started, so
Sounds like they're peeing.
I am peeing.
And it's
That's
the same
mine
color.
behind the bike, so
And
nobody
it's-
can see me peeing.
And it's the same color. Right, because the other thing was yellow.
This is mostly clear, which is what it should be. It actually doesn't smell like bad gas, which is surprising, but
Why did you take off the top?
help with that.
It's getting loose.
You think you can take it off now? And make sure you grab the washer too.
No.
Yes.
And stop it.
Well, would you look at that? You're down to a frame. You need to get that off next.
It's zip tied. Nice and zip ties.
Yeah, this is the horrible wiring that they have on this.
Wait, did they just put that on?
Yes, this is how they did it.
I think.
Yeah, it's Chinese. I mean, it's...
I was like, I see you put zip ties on this.
Nope. I mean, we will use zip ties if I can't find something better to mount it using.
Those are really cool. Like,
Alright guys, so we're going to cut it here for tonight. We're going to get another start on it tomorrow afternoon when I get home from work. Hopefully we can get the rest of the components pulled, get the handlebars pulled, and the rear spring, get the wheels off.
Taking these off?
Yeah, we're getting this thing, we're taking this thing all the way down to just the frame. And then we're going to make the frame look
This
nice.
isn't the frame.
The handlebar isn't the frame.
Oh.
See, there's 4 bolts here.
Oh yeah.
So that you can remove it. We'll have to get the forks off so that we can get those rebuilt. Or if I can find a cheap one online that isn't rusty, we might do that. So, yeah, we'll, when we flip back over in like half a second for you guys, we'll be at another day. Alright guys, so I'm going to actually wrap it up here for this episode. I just put the software, or I put the video in my image editing software, or my video editing software. And I'm already up to almost 20 minutes, and I really don't like these running up to 30 minutes or more. I don't think it's easy to watch when they're that long. So we're going to wrap it here, and then we'll get started in the next episode on finishing up the teardown. So if you move, I guess I can't show you, but we'll do a walk around here in just a minute.
Show me.
Yeah, you can say that. But yeah, I'll give you a little walk around of where we're at. Basically, we've got most of the major body components off. So now we need to get the wheels and tires off, we need to get the handlebars off, drop the engine, and pull the wiring, and then we should be down to the bare frame with the forks. I'll show you the forks in just a minute. Those are a thing of beauty. And yeah, we'll get working on that in the next episode. So hold on one second, we will get a little walkthrough on where we're at. Oh, hello. Yeah, just walked through while I was recording.
Oop.
And there you are again. Alright, so say hello, Gwen.
Hello.
She's very happy about this. So as you can see, we have some pretty serious rust issues all over the bike. So honestly, the exhaust for these bikes, I think this one's actually aftermarket. They run like 20 bucks. It's like anything for these bikes, 20 bucks. So we're going to clean up the frames. We're going to clean up the frame, and we're going to get that repainted. We're going to do some work on the forks. If you take a look down here, yeah, forks aren't supposed to be coated in rust and scales, so I'm not sure what we're going to do with that. If we can't clean it up, I can probably get replacement forks somewhere, probably on Amazon. We're going to take off all the wiring, upgrade the coil probably, because again, 20 bucks. You know what they say, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, right? CDI looks like it could use being replaced. A little bit of rust down here on the shock. And rust pretty much everywhere. We're also going to be replacing all these cruddy fasteners here with stainless fasteners so that they don't rust out again. But yeah, I mean, it was a good bike for Ree, and I think it's going to be a great bike for Gwen for a few years.
It's turned into a red/brown bike.
Yes, it has. But yeah, that's all I got. So until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like what I'm doing. And we'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Bye.